Hello, how are you? Okay, today we're going to speak about clauses of purpose. There are some words that we usually use to answer to the question why. Okay? So, if you are thinking of a question, for example, why are you locked in your house all day? ¿Por qué estás todo el día encerrado en tu casa? The first word that comes to our mind when we want to answer to the question why is, of course, because. It is the most typical and the one that we always use. So, why are you all day locked in your house? Because, or I am locked because we are in quarantine. Okay? But because is not the only word that you can use. There are a lot of other words, and those are the ones that we are going to learn today. So when you are writing or when you are speaking, you do not only say because. So there is a lot of other words and expressions that you can use instead of that. Good. These are all the other phrases and words that we can use replacing because. We can use to, it means para, so that, para que, so as to, para que, in order to, para, for, para. A lot of different words and phrases. And each one of they is used in a particular way that we have to take into account. We cannot use it the way we want. So, for example, let's suppose that I have this question. Why are you studying English? So, what would be your answer? I am studying English because I love it. Okay. Or I am studying English because I want to work abroad or I want to live abroad. So, instead of answering the questions with because, we're going to use to. Why are you studying English? To is always followed by a verb in infinitive. So you can say, I'm studying English to use it abroad, or to work abroad. Remember that abroad means in a different country. So that, why are you studying English? I am studying English so that I can use it abroad, for example, or I can work abroad. So again, the answer, I'm studying English so that I can work abroad. Why are you studying English? I'm studying English so as to work abroad, or so as to use it abroad. Why are you studying English? I'm studying English in order to work abroad, or in order to use it abroad. The verb is in infinitive. And finally, why are you studying English? I'm studying English for a job why do I use job and not work? Because job is a noun and I need the noun here. So, for a job, abroad. Or remember that if you want to use a verb after for, we always use the verb plus ing. So I could say for working abroad. In that way, I'm transforming the verb into a noun. Okay? Very well. These are some questions for you to practice. So copy the questions in your notebook and answer them using all the structures that we studied in the video. Do not repeat the same word. For example, if you use because to answer the first question, to answer the other questions, use always different structures. Okay? Do not repeat. I am going to move so you can pause the video and copy the questions. Okay? Well, and also you have the explanations and another exercise for this on page 78 of your book. This is the beginning of the writing for this unit. So on page 78, read the explanation and then complete exercise A. This is about this topic. Okay, hope you understand. If you don't, please let me know so I can explain you again. Bye-bye.